Hey you guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is Saturday, which means we are either going to be doing a stuffing video or a subscriber Saturday. So we did get paid this week, so we are going to be stuffing our sinking funds. We're going to go over how much I got paid and what the estimate is, and we are going to be paying some of our bills. Now, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Shirley, or Thrifty Asian if you want to call me that. I do a lot of budgeting and a lot of money challenges on Tuesdays and on Saturdays. So if you are not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe down below and hit the notification. So every time I post a video, then you will be notified. So let's just get on with our video because it's going to be a little bit longer than usual. So my paycheck number one, I estimated $500. I did get paid $738. With our bills, I'm just going to run through it real quick. So we have house, light, car insurance, phone, American Eagle, Chase, Capital One, and car. Now the phone is going to be a little high because I did switch to my husband's phone and got off of my brother's phone. So the $195 is going to be high for the first 2 months, I think. And then car insurance, I did tell my mom that I will start paying the car insurance again. But we have $738, but we are only going to be paying $230 towards bills. Now, there is a reason why I'm not paying or using all of the $738. We are keeping $50 into my bank account just for gas or any like knickknacks that I have to do. But also we did put money towards the house principals. So that is why we are only going to be putting $230. I know a lot of people are probably going to be like, why did you do that? Why don't you put it towards like a credit card to pay that off faster? It's just something that my husband and it works for us. So that is what we're going to do. So $230 is literally only my money that we are going to be doing the bills. And we do have the bills besides my car insurance and my phone and the credit cards. We do split the house and, well, the phone now because I'm on his, and then the light bill, and I think that's it. And then everything else is literally in my name because they are mine. All right, so paycheck number one. So we are not going to be putting anything in the house. Light bill, we have not gotten that bill yet because we literally just paid that like last week. So it's not going to pop up until probably the end of February. So we have no idea how much that's going to be, but I did estimate $73. Car insurance, we are going to be putting towards $20 towards that this week. So I only need $80 left so I can pay my mom. And then phone, I already Venmo'd $30 to Jared for that. So I only have to pay $165. American Eagle, we literally just paid for that. So I have no idea how much it's going to be, but it's estimated around $56. Chase, which is my Visa card, is $158. This is the one that Jared and I are paying it off faster together, and that is going to be getting $80. So it will only need $78. Capital One is not getting anything yet because we do not have the bill for that. And then my car is going to be getting $100. So we're just going to add all of that together, which is 20, 30, 80, and 100. So that is $230 towards bills. Now car is going to get transferred to my savings for right now because we are not going to be paying that until the end of February. Chase is already in the app. It's going to be transferred into that. And then car insurance, I'm probably most likely going to transfer that and then give that money at the end of the month to my mom. So the total for that is $230. So that is how much we are going to be putting towards bills. I do have some side hustles that we are going to be doing, like my eBay. My eBay, I'm not going to be doing that until the end of February, around the 20th and 21st. So I could be putting that more towards bills. Who knows, more towards debt. I don't know. All right, so next we are going to be doing our sinking funds. Sinking funds is my favorite part of the video of any stuffing videos. If it's like my video or somebody else's video, I love watching them stuff their savings. And it's just fun watching everybody's savings grow, especially mine too. All right, so this week, medical for paycheck, we have $100 to work with. And medical is going to be getting $15. Car maintenance is going to be getting $15. Renewals is going to be getting $10. Special occasion is going to be getting $20. Vacation is going to be getting $25. Home is going to be getting $5. Christmas, $2. Beauty is $3. And then my dog, Dobby, is going to be getting $5. So that is how much we're going to do. And we're just going to make sure that it adds up to $100. 2 plus 3 plus 5 equals $100. So first we are going to be stuffing our medical, which I'm thinking of I might need to talk to Jared and ask if he would want to, any medical or cart maintenance, what else? Vacation and Dobby, he can actually contribute to that. I haven't really talked to him about the sinking funds because he has his own savings account and everything, but I'm probably going to ask him if he wanted to contribute or not. So the first one is $15, so 10 and 15. So we have 20, 40, 45, and 50. So we have $50. Now you may notice that I have a lot of 10s and 5s and 1s. So I had to, if you are not new to my channel and you have been watching my challenges, then you would know that I'm doing the $5, $10, $1 challenge. So I really needed some change because I went to the ATM because the drive-through was long and I kind of just didn't want to wait. So at the ATM, I only got $20 back. So I had to break that down. So Tuesday, you will see that I have like 20s in the $5 envelopes and in the $10 envelope. So if you are wondering, that is why, because I had to break that down. Next is going to be car maintenance, and car maintenance is going to be getting $15, which I don't have anything right now that I have to go for the car maintenance because I just did my tire rotations and everything else. So 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. So we have $19 in car maintenance. So we're going to be building that back up. Renewal is going to be getting $10, which I'm officially almost changing my name, my last name. So I will have to get a new driver's license and everything. So we have to save for that. And then there's a lot of my certifications coming up and my tag renewal, all that stuff. 5, 10, 15, 20, and $21. Special occasion is going to be getting $20, and that is for my best friend's wedding. I still need to get a dress, and it could be hair, makeup, shoes, jewelry, all of that. So that's going to be $20, 20, 40, 45, and 50. So $50 towards that. So that is great. Vacation is going to be getting $25. Now, vacation is going to be for most likely, let me think, the bachelorette trip that is going to be happening at the end of March. So I have to save up for that, and I'm pretty sure Jared's going to give me money as well for that, and I'm going to be gone for a whole week. So I'm going to need to budget that out and, yeah. 20, 40, 45, 46, and 47. Wait. 20, 40, 45, 46, and 47. $47. $47. Home is getting $5, and we're going to do ones. 1, 2, well, no, we're not, because I have to break that down. It's getting $5, and we have 100, 10, and 15. So 115. Christmas is going to be getting $2. Now, I'm not going to stuff this as much because if you have seen my closeout for the month, then you would know that we are strictly just doing Ibotta for Christmas. So we have, I think when you're watching this now, we are way over $100. So that is really fun. And I'm going to try to do closeouts every single month. So we are putting $2 in. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that is $5. Which my goal is for Ibotta is $500. Every year it's $500. And then last year we did $400. And I'm already at, I think I'm at 137 or 157, something like that. But you have to catch the video at the end of the month to see how much exactly I made in Ibotta. Beauty is going to be getting $3. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So we have $9 in there. And that is going to be getting that. And my budget for this is $100, and this is technically for my hair and makeup for the wedding. Dobby is going to be getting $5, and he does not have anything in here because he just went to the vet and everything. So we are going to be building that back up, and that is $5. So we're just going to add everything up. So 50, 19, 21, 50, 47, 115, 5, 9, and 5, which is $321. So that is how much we have in our sinking funds. Now, the sinking funds that you see here is strictly for myself and not for Jared, but hopefully in the near future that his will be added to mine, but who knows, you guys. So anyway, so that is it. We figured out how much money I made this week at work, and then we figured out what bills we are going to be paying. So we did pay $230 towards the bills, and then sinking funds, we did have $100 to stuff. So that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for bearing with me and everything, but I love you guys and thank you for everything, and I will see you guys on Tuesday. So make sure you check out my week 5 money challenges so you can comment a number that I am going to pick, because there is going to be a giveaway. But anyways, love you guys, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.